First of all, I'd like to thank the team to organize such a beautiful event. Morning, we thought this would not be such a fair kind of a thing where people would come in with this number. And as the day progressed, I could see it was more like a fair, okay, where people started put in and there were a lot of efforts. And I'm very happy to give a big round of applause for the entire develop team who took so much of pain, effort, hardship, time, money, everything, and they made this particular thing a beautiful success. I'm sure this would definitely go on to your records.
It was a very good experience. We did have a very good crowd coming in for the fair actually. We have both these positions coming in with us, but I'm happy that I got 4 of the candidates or 4 of the students who would, I literally call them on Monday for an interview process and hope they get shortlisted and get offered.
ನಾನು ಬಂದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆಗಲೇ ಒಂದು 6 ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಯಿತು ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಕೆಲಸ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಅನುಭವಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತುಂಬ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.